This year, during the virtual Facebook Connect conference, Mark Zuckerberg announced a partnership with EssilorLuxottica, the owners of Ray-Ban, to produce consumer smart glasses in 2021. He also announced Project Aria, which is a new research project to build new wearable AR glasses of the future.
Welcome back to Sonic Insights.
Separate initiatives. The Ray-Ban glasses that we will see in 2021 are far from the future reality that Facebook is ultimately trying to accomplish with Project Aria. They are not going to be classified as an AR device and will not have any type of display. The partnership between Facebook and EssilorLuxottica is one step in its work on AR, but Project Aria is its own separate project. Future reality equals science fiction today. The goal or future reality that Facebook is trying to envision is one where we can use devices such as wearable AR glasses to help us perform everyday tasks way more efficiently and start to break away from being so attached to our cell phones. They want to enable scenarios such as a guided navigation through a new city, or calling a friend and seeing a lifelike avatar, or having a digital assistant that is able to help you perform all of your tasks at work better. A lot of these scenarios are still topics of science fiction today. And when it comes to creating hardware and software to enable this reality, Facebook says that we are still several generations of breakthroughs away from truly realizing this future. Research Product Overview. Enter in Project Aria, a research device and project from Facebook to help the team better understand how to build the necessary hardware and software to power an AR glasses future. The device uses an array of sensors to capture video and audio, as well as eye movement and location data, all in the effort to better understand how AR can actually work in the real world around us. The data gathered during the research will support development of head tracking, eye tracking, and audio algorithms. This research project will also help build out Live Maps, which was announced at Oculus Connect 6, which is a virtual 3D map. This is a very important piece to the AR experience as it helps to blend the virtual and real world together. Rather than having to scan and reconstruct a space in real time, AR glasses will be able to download recent 3D maps, and then all the glasses will have to do is detect changes such as new street signs or new structures, and then update that 3D map. This device today is for researchers only and will be made available to a limited group of Facebook employees and contractors starting in September, who will be trained on when and when not to use these devices. Privacy. Combine Facebook with glasses that have the ability to videotape and record, and I think one of the first things that will come to any sane person's mind is privacy. The Project Aria release addresses privacy in 3 different sections, and I'm going to quickly read through the different bullet points from those sections. So starting with when and where data gathering will take place, there's 100 trained participants in San Francisco and Seattle that have no access to the data they collect. A white light shines when recording. There's a physical mute button. They will record in Facebook offices, their homes, assuming they have consent from anybody else that's living there, and public areas. They will not be in venues or stores without prior consent or sensitive areas like restrooms, locker rooms, and prayer rooms. The next section is recording transparently. Participants will be required to wear a lanyard and clothing that identifies them as participants of the research study, and also includes a website where people can learn more about the project. As I mentioned, they will have no access to raw data, but they will be able to turn off the device, stop recording, and delete segments of data that they want via a companion app. The last section is data privacy protections. Data will be encrypted and use a secure ingestion system to upload data to a backend storage system that is accessible only to researchers. Participants can delete captured data for up to 3 days before researchers will look at it, and data gathered will auto-scrub faces and license plates and do not use facial recognition.
For an efficient way to stay up to date with audio, voice, and hearable technology, Subscribe to our newsletter, podcast, and YouTube by checking us out at sonicinsights.co.